What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at GJ yesterday and the trade that was called out in the VIP members group. And this was a sell on GJ. If I just pull that up real quick in the Telegram channel. Where is it? Right here. All right, we can see right here. This is the Telegram channel, the VIP Telegram. As you can see yesterday, I posted GBP JPY sales, entry, stop loss, take profit. We can see that price pushed into profit nicely here. We was about 40 pips in profit. It was actually 5 pips from our take profit, as you can see that I said right here. Price has come within 5 pips of our take profit, still holding and waiting to see how the next 4 hour closes in 30 minutes. And then I said moving stops. I said moving stops 6 pips above entry at 181.902. So that was this trade here, right? And basically what I saw yesterday in the market was this level right here, which got respected. You can see that we came in and tapped right in here. Nice rejection wick on this 4 hour candle, and then price starts flipping bearish, right? And we start to step to the downside. We can see as well here on GJ, if we just zoom out, we can see clear structure here to the downside, right? Clear structure to the downside. And basically I was just looking to follow that trend. If you pull this level kind of out here as well, we can see that it is indeed a break and retest of this key level. Price is bearish, and we started to form some nice 4 hour levels, some 4 hour candles right here, as you can see. Some nice what is that now? Is this not on? This will be on. So you can see that we're forming some nice bearish market structure here with these 4 hour candles with higher lows and lower highs in here like this. You can see that price is trending to the downside, and then we also get a closure on the 4 hour time frame here below like this overall level. We can see it's acting as support up in here. If we drag it, wanted to drag it up here, we can see it's acting as support and slight resistance as well in that area. You can see that this 4 hour candle closed below. So what I basically looked to do was to take that next 4 hour candle down and follow that, follow this momentum based off of trend, right? Market structure, key level in the market, a closure below another key level here. Nice 4 hour bearish candle closures, right, to the downside. Nice rejection of this level. So if we go on to the 15, I was looking, I looked at entries below here like this. So I usually do around about 6 pips below my key levels where I look for my buy and sell stops. So I had my entry right there. I had my stops above that previous 4 hour high. My PC is going crazy right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's very loud. So I had my stops above here for was it 40 pips or 45 pips? I'm pretty sure it was 45 pips. Like that, 45, and then yeah, so it was that there like that. So then what happened was price ended up coming back to our break-even level, right? Tapping that previous 4 hour low, low break and retest, and then it continued down and hit our full take profit, right? So we was out of the trade at break-even here, and this was actually late for me. I was actually asleep during this. I just moved my stops to break-even and went to bed, and then woke up in the morning and saw what had happened. So that was a trade that was called out yesterday in the VIP Telegram. You can see we literally came within a few pips of our take profit right here, about 5 pips. So, you know, it is what it is. Really, I should have been looking at around about 40 pip stop loss and take profit here. and that would have been a winning trade down in this area. But I went with 45 pips, just a little bit above this area. So yeah, didn't end up getting hit in the end, but the analysis was correct. The trade was correct. It still played out regardless if it didn't hit our break even level. You can see price still reverse and hit our take profit anyway. So maybe going into the future, we'll just see what happens here with price as it gets to these previous 4-hour lows and kind of some support or resistance in the market, and see how it reacts, and then make a decision on whether we want to move stops to break even or hold it a bit longer, depending on how price reacts to that level. But other than that, it was textbook. I followed all my trading rules, followed all my game plan. Moving stops to break even is a part of my game plan. So when you do have those break even trades, it does happen. It's part of the process. We just have to take it on the chin and continue with our day, because if it was the opposite way around, if we didn't move stops to break even and price would have hit our stop loss, then I would have been sitting here going, I should have followed my rules. Damn it, what am I doing? You know, I need to follow my game plan. I need to follow my trading rules. You know, so it can go either way, right? So we need to remember that. Always stick to your rules. If it does end up working out as a winning favor, a winning trade, even though you got stopped at break even first, then it is what it is. You know, you just got to take that for what it is and carry on. Don't let it affect you mentally too much, your psychology and things like that. But looking at today, I'm actually looking to continue the sales here on GJ. I'm just waiting for a closure potentially below yesterday's lows, right? So I have my alerts on down at this level. So if a 4-hour candle closes below this previous daily low, I am going to be looking to take sales to again continue this overall move. So we'll wait and see what happens here with GJ. So I'll update the VIP on that. But yeah, at the moment you can see not much happening here on GJ yet during today's session. We're kind of consolidating a little bit. So we'll see what happens. Looking for clear breaks and 4-hour closures below this previous daily low. And then I will look for sales. In terms of other pairs, USD CAD, same thing here. I was looking at sales below the previous daily level, but you can see price has closed below, then closed back above on the 4-hour. And now what I'm looking to happen is this next 4-hour candle to make a top wick and then close back below this previous daily low. And then I will look to sell USD CAD here as well. Same thing here on GBP NZD. Looking for sales below previous daily lows. As you can see, price sold off nicely yesterday. So we're looking for a bit of a retracement and then a continuation. So looking for a 4-hour closure below this level to look to take sales. And gold, I'm not sure I'm kind of staying away from gold at the moment until we see some decent sales because of what is going on in the world. You know, the war in Russia, Ukraine, now what's happening in Israel and Palestine and things like that. So this obviously, when there's war and there's a lot of economic events happening like wars, gold gets affected quite massively. As you can see, war happened here, boom, price just, the things start escalating between Israel and Palestine. So this is the reaction out of gold, boom, boom, because price is of course a safe haven where people want to put their investments in when economic uncertainty is on the cards, so that's what's happening with gold at the moment. Seeing a big reaction, so we'll see if it continues or we'll see going into today what happens. But yeah, staying away from gold at the moment, focus on GJ and USD CAD mostly for sales. So we'll see what happens with GJ here, if it continues bullish or if it decides to sell off, and then I will look to take sales down below this previous daily low, and we'll see what we can get here. All right, but I'll keep that updated to you guys in the VIP. that's my thoughts. That was yesterday's trade. And those are my thoughts for today during London session, going into so pre-London, London, going into New York session. Those are my thoughts. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. If you want to join the free Telegram, the link is below. If you want to join the VIP Telegram, the link is also below. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.